Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer volume of notes, flashcards, and assignments? Ever wished there was a digital workspace that could organize your entire study life? Well, today we're diving into Notion, a versatile tool that's gaining popularity among students worldwide. Notion isn't just a note-taking app. It's a digital workspace that can be customized to fit your unique study style, from creating elaborate note systems to managing your entire semester schedule. Notion offers a plethora of features that can streamline your studies. But can it truly replace traditional study methods? Let's find out. Section 1. Understanding Notion Basics. What is Notion? A brief overview of Notion's core features and how it differs from other note-taking apps. Key features: databases, pages, blocks, and templates. Customization. How Notion's flexibility allows users to create personalized workspaces. Section 2. Notion for note-taking. Different note-taking styles. Compare Notion to traditional methods like bullet journaling and digital note-taking apps like Evernote. Benefits of Notion for note-taking: structured databases, linking between pages, and the ability to embed multimedia. Best practices: tips for creating effective note-taking systems in Notion, such as using templates and tagging. Section 3. Notion for project management. Task management. How to use Notion to create and track to-do lists, deadlines, and progress. Time management, time tracking features, scheduling, and productivity tools. Collaboration. How to work on projects with classmates or study groups using Notion's sharing and collaboration features. Section 4. Notion for academic research. Research organization. Creating databases for references, citations, and research notes. Knowledge base. Building a centralized repository of information for academic papers and presentations. Collaboration tools. Working on group projects and sharing research findings. Section 5. Notion for exam preparation. Flashcards and quizzes. Creating digital flashcards and quizzes to test your knowledge. Study schedules. Planning and tracking your study sessions using Notion's calendar and time management features. Mind mapping. Visualizing complex topics using Notion's mind mapping capabilities. Section 6. Tips and tricks. Best practices. Share tips and tricks for getting the most out of Notion, such as using keyboard shortcuts and customizing templates. Overcoming challenges. Discuss common challenges students may face when using Notion and how to overcome them. Integration with other tools. Explore how Notion can be integrated with other productivity tools like Google Calendar or Grammarly. Recap. Summarize the key benefits of using Notion for studying and how it can enhance your academic performance. Personal experience. Share your personal experiences or anecdotes about using Notion for studying. Encourage viewers to try Notion for themselves and explore its potential. With that said, Notion offers a powerful and flexible platform for students of all levels. Whether you're a visual learner, a planner, or a researcher, Notion can help you stay organized, productive, and on top of your studies. So, why not give it a try and see how it can transform your academic journey? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks on studying and productivity. Until next time.